Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pumpkin pie filling. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 2 large eggs, and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget your spices: 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother. Now, let's combine everything. In a large bowl, whisk the 2 large eggs and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, stir in the 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, gradually pour in the 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, mixing until the filling is completely smooth and well combined. With your filling ready, carefully pour it into your prepared, unbaked pie crust. Place the pie in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 minutes. After this initial baking time, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue baking for an additional 35 to 45 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean, indicating it's perfectly set. Once your pumpkin pie is baked to perfection, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This allows the filling to set properly, ensuring beautiful slices. For the best flavor and texture, chill the pie for at least 2 hours before serving. A dollop of whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream makes it extra special. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pumpkin pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.